The Marston Vale Line runs between Bletchley and Bedford and forms an important strategic link between the West Coast Mainline and the Midland Mainline. Up until April 2019, the passenger services on the route were operated by West Midland Trains Class 150 and Class 153 DMUs. These were replaced by Class 230 D-Train DMUs built by rolling stock manufacturer Vivarail for the British Rail network. These units are converted from redundant London Underground D78 stock, originally manufactured in 1980 by Metro Camel. However, in December 2022, Vivarail went into administration, and as they were responsible for the maintenance of the Class 230s, the decision was made by West Midland Trains to withdraw the entire fleet from service. A replacement bus service is now in place, but it is rumoured that the Class 150s may soon return and passenger services on the line will resume. So what does the future hold for the Marston Vale Line? It is set to become part of the new East-West Rail project, currently under construction. This will reinstate the former Varisty Line, which ran between Oxford and Cambridge, and which closed in the 1960s. The section of line between Bicester and Oxford has already opened, and is used by Chiltern Railways to operate services from London Marylebone via a new chord between Bicester South Junction and Vivarail Junction. We will now explore the new East-West Rail Line starting at Bicester. This is the new chord linking the Chiltern Line to the section of line running to Oxford. This was formerly a single-track branch line used by freight and a limited passenger service to Bicester Town Station from Oxford. It has now been upgraded to double track, and Bicester Town Station has now been renamed Bicester Village. A Chiltern Railways Oxford to Marylebone service passes Vivarail Junction and onto the new chord. Looking the other way, a service to Oxford heads down grade from Bicester South Junction. The tracks of the east-west rail route diverge away from Vivarail Junction towards Bletchley and past underneath the Chiltern Line. This is the view further east. This section of line closed to passengers in 1968, but remained open as a single-track freight-only line as far as Claydon Junction. The line east of the junction to Bletchley was mothballed in 1993. We now move to an overbridge at Charndon. This is the mothballed section of line between Claydon Junction and Bletchley. Track laying on this section has not yet started. The situation at Varisty Junction is much the same. Preparation work, including this new overbridge, looked to be well advanced in readiness for track laying to begin. Once the project is completed, there are future plans to electrify the route so that it can form a key part of the new electric spine passenger and freight route between the South Coast, the East Midlands and Yorkshire. Building work at the site of the new Winslow station is well advanced. On the outskirts of Bletchley, the line climbs an embankment which leads onto a concrete flyover above the town. The Bletchley flyover stands on the site of the original structure, which opened in 1959 and carried the tracks of the Varisty Line. This structure was demolished and then rebuilt during 2020 and 2021, including new high-level platforms for Bletchley Station.